How to open an account on Macquarie Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account on Macquarie Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to the Macquarie Bank website. And once you've done that, basically tap on the option open an account right over here. After that, choose the account type which you'd like to open. It can be personal account, savings account, term deposit, youth accounts. So in my case, I'll simply choose my personal account for everyday banking. Now it will provide you the list of all of the different accounts you can open. So in my case, I'll simply choose the Macquarie everyday account. After that, it'll ask you to fill up the details such as your full name, your date of birth, your email address, phone number, and residential address. Now once you've done that, tap on the option continue. After that, it'll ask you to verify your identity. So you'll have to enter your driver's license details, your passport, and other ID. Now once you've done all of those, you will have successfully opened an account on Macquarie Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.